Hello guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how you can download Advik software and how to install the system requirements. Now the link to download it is provided in the description. You can create your official account and you will get this zip file. The zip file contains a brochure which has all the details of the software. So it has all the features of the software and it is an official CDAC software. So you can go through the brochure file which is available on their official website. It also contains an installation guide which will have all the minimum requirement installation like .NET framework, CDR analysis, sample files and other details. So it contains a complete set of all the PDF files. So if you go to the sample CDR data, you will have multiple sample CDR numbers. You will also have cell IDs, you have IMEI number CDR, you have ipdr, you have SDR data, you have tower CDR as well. So all the samples are given. In the minimum requirement folder, you have all the required or minimum requirement softwares available. So let's start with the installation. The first thing that we are going to install is Microsoft Office database. Now a database is required to run the CDR analysis and it will create a database for you. So just install Access Database Engine. There are two versions available, x64 and x32. Depending on your system, that is Windows 32-bit or 64-bit, you have to install the required software. You can just click on next and install to install typically. Now there are two other things that are required, that is .NET framework. By default .NET framework is pre-installed in latest Windows, but in case if you want to install it, the setup is given and the installation is quite simple. You can just click on next and install. You also need MySQL, which basically connects your database and a MySQL database connector. The connector is pre-installed with the latest Windows, but in case if you want to install it, the setup is already given in the minimum requirement folder. You also need Visual Studio, and again the same is already installed in the latest Windows, but if you want to install, you can install it. If you go back, the original setup and the user manual is given. The user manual actually contains everything in detail with step-by-step guide and screenshots as well. I would recommend you to first go through the user manual once so you get a detailed information with screenshots. Let's start with the Advik CDR analysis or analyzer installation. So installation is quite simple. Just double click on the installer. This is an evolutionary version or a trial version. You can click on browse and select the installation disk. In case if you want to create a separate folder for your forensic, you can do that as well. You can also change the disk allocation or the installation disk. I would recommend you to use it normally. You can also change which user or Windows user will be able to use the software, and the installation is again quite simple. You just have to click on next and it will start installing. The Advik CDR analyzer installer is quite simple, and this was the video for the installation. Again, please scan the QR code provided and also check the description for all the links.